An iconic bird, the Thanksgiving turkey. This bird isn't just a simple dish, but a symbol deeply rooted in American culture and traditions. Over the years, the turkey has become synonymous with Thanksgiving, a time when families come together to celebrate and reflect on the things they are grateful for. Thanksgiving, a beloved American holiday, is closely tied to the image of a roasted turkey, sitting majestically at the center of the festive table. This image evokes not only abundance but also a sense of community and sharing. Every year, millions of Americans gather around the table to enjoy this traditional delicacy, accompanied by various side dishes and desserts. This bird has become a symbol of abundance and gratitude, but its journey to this status is a fascinating one, full of transformations and cultural influences. From the first feasts of the colonists, where turkey was just one of many meat options, to the present day, where it's the undisputed star of the Thanksgiving table, the turkey has come a long way. From the early feasts of the colonists to modern traditions, the turkey has earned its place of honor on American tables. Back then, holiday meals were much simpler and more modest, but as society evolved, so did culinary traditions. The turkey gradually became a symbol of prosperity and gratitude, reflecting the economic and social changes of the time. This story reveals the evolution of a culinary tradition and its importance in defining national identity. The turkey is not just a dish, but an integral part of American culture, a symbol of unity and generosity. Each slice of turkey served at the Thanksgiving table carries with it a piece of this nation's history and traditions. Over the centuries, the turkey has gone from a sporadic presence at holiday meals to an essential element of Thanksgiving. This transformation wasn't sudden, but the result of a slow and steady process of adaptation and change. In each era, the turkey has been reinterpreted and reimagined, reflecting the values and aspirations of American society. Economic, cultural, and historical factors have contributed to this transformation. For example, in the 19th century, with population growth and agricultural development, turkey became more accessible and popular. In addition, immigration and cultural diversity brought new influences and traditions, enriching and diversifying holiday meals. The increased availability of turkey, its impressive size, perfect for feeding large families, and its relatively low cost compared to other meats contributed to its popularity. Plus, turkey is a versatile meat that can be prepared in many ways, from the traditional roasted turkey to more modern and innovative recipes. Additionally, writers and influential figures promoted the image of the turkey as a symbol of prosperity and the American spirit. For example, Sarah Josepha Hale, a renowned writer and editor, strongly advocated for establishing Thanksgiving as a national holiday and popularized the idea of turkey as the centerpiece of the festive meal. Thus, the turkey became not just a dish, but a symbol of unity and gratitude, an essential part of the American national identity. The first harvest celebrations in North America didn't have a fixed menu. These celebrations were marked by a variety of foods, reflecting the abundance of the season and the resources available at that time. Colonists and Native Americans ate what was available depending on the season and region. This meant their meals were extremely varied and adapted to the environment. For example, during the fall, corn, pumpkin, and bean harvests were essential. Wild game, such as deer and wild birds, was an important source of protein, along with fish, seafood, and locally grown vegetables. Fishing was also a crucial activity, bringing fish like cod and salmon to the table. Turkey, although present in some regions, wasn't necessarily the star of the show. Other birds, such as ducks and geese, were often preferred due to their abundance. The 1621 feast, often considered the first Thanksgiving, likely included venison, waterfowl, corn, beans, and other vegetables. This feast was a symbol of cooperation and gratitude between the colonists and Native Americans, marking a moment of unity and celebration of the bountiful harvest. Over the years, the Thanksgiving menu has evolved significantly. While the first feasts relied on local and seasonal resources, as the colonies developed and began importing food, the menu became more diverse. Today, the Thanksgiving meal is often centered around the turkey, which has become a symbol of the holiday. Alongside it, you'll find traditional dishes like cranberry sauce, mashed potatoes, and pumpkin pie. Despite the changes in the menu, The essence of the holiday remains the same, a time for gratitude, sharing joy, and celebrating family and friendship bonds. Each family adds its own traditions and recipes, creating a unique and personalized celebration. So, from the first feasts of the colonists and Native Americans to the modern tables of today, Thanksgiving continues to be a celebration of diversity and gratitude, reflecting the cultural and gastronomic evolution of our society. In the 19th century, the turkey began to solidify its position as the main course for Thanksgiving. Several factors contributed to this rise. Firstly, raising turkeys was more economical than raising other animals, like cattle or pigs. A single turkey could feed a large family, making it a practical choice for a holiday focused on abundance. Another important factor was the influence of figures like Sarah Josepha Hale, a writer and activist who campaigned for establishing Thanksgiving as a national holiday. In her writings, Hale promoted the image of the turkey as a symbol of prosperity and the American spirit. Additionally, the impressive size of the turkey contributed to its transformation into a symbol of abundance. A roasted turkey, placed at the center of the festive table, represented a powerful image of plenty and gratitude. Thanksgiving is a cherished national holiday in the United States. It is a time when people from all walks of life come together to celebrate and give thanks for the many blessings they have received throughout the year. The holiday is deeply rooted in American culture and has a rich history that dates back centuries. It is celebrated on the fourth Thursday of November each year. This date was officially set by President Abraham Lincoln in 1863 during the Civil War as a way to foster unity and gratitude among the American people. Since then, it has become a beloved tradition that marks the beginning of the holiday season. This day is a time for families and friends to come together, share a meal, and express gratitude for the blessings they have received throughout the year. It is a moment to pause and reflect on the positive aspects of life, to appreciate the love and support of those around us, and to acknowledge the abundance we often take for granted. The traditional Thanksgiving meal typically includes a roasted turkey, which is often the centerpiece of the feast. The turkey is usually accompanied by a variety of side dishes that have become staples of the holiday: stuffing, mashed potatoes, cranberry sauce, and pumpkin pie. Each of these dishes has its own unique history and significance, adding to the richness of the Thanksgiving tradition. For example, stuffing, also known as dressing, is made from a mixture of bread, herbs, and spices, and is often cooked inside the turkey. Mashed potatoes, creamy and smooth, are a comfort food that complements the savory flavors of the meal. Cranberry sauce, with its tart and sweet taste, provides a refreshing contrast, while pumpkin pie, with its warm spices and creamy texture, is the perfect ending to the feast. The holiday has its roots in a harvest festival celebrated by the Pilgrims in 1621. The Pilgrims, who were early settlers of the Plymouth colony in present-day Massachusetts, held a feast to give thanks for their first successful harvest. They invited the Wampanoag people, who had helped them survive their first year in the New World, to join in the celebration. This event is often considered the first Thanksgiving and has become a symbol of cooperation and gratitude. Over the years, Thanksgiving has evolved into a time for giving thanks and reflecting on the positive aspects of life. It is a day to appreciate the simple joys and the people who make our lives meaningful. Many families have their own unique traditions, such as watching the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, playing football, or volunteering to help those in need. So, as you gather around the table this Thanksgiving, take a moment to appreciate the history and significance of this special day. Remember the Pilgrims and the Wampanoag people who came together in a spirit of gratitude and cooperation. Reflect on the blessings in your own life and the people who make it special. And most importantly, give thanks for the abundance and love that surrounds you. Ah, the turkey! It has found its way into literature and popular culture in fascinating ways. From children's books to folk tales, the turkey is often depicted as a symbol of abundance and festivity. Even in modern times, the turkey continues to be a beloved character in various forms of media, representing the spirit of Thanksgiving and the joy of coming together. The journey of the turkey from the farm to the presidential pardon is quite a tale. Each year, one lucky turkey is spared from the dinner table and is granted a pardon by the President of the United States. This tradition, which began many years ago, symbolizes compassion and the celebration of life. It's a moment that captures the essence of Thanksgiving, reminding us of the values we hold dear. The turkey stands as a powerful symbol of abundance and unity. During Thanksgiving, families gather around the table, sharing a meal that often centers on this iconic bird. It serves as a reminder of the harvest and the shared prosperity that brings people together. The turkey, in many ways, embodies the spirit of gratitude and togetherness that defines this cherished holiday. The legacy of the Thanksgiving turkey is rich and enduring. Over the years, it has become more than just a meal. It is a tradition that binds generations. As families pass down recipes and stories, the turkey remains at the heart of the celebration, symbolizing continuity and the enduring spirit of Thanksgiving. This legacy is a testament to the enduring power of tradition and the importance of giving thanks.